Hello, welcome to Living Tech. In this tutorial, I will show you how to properly configure Samba's software resources to optimize performance. In the left-hand navigation menu, click Computer, navigate to YAST. YAST is a control center for administrative settings. Allow this to load. You will be prompted for your administrative password. Type this in and make sure the Remember Password tab is unchecked. This will allow for proper security when changing administrative settings. Click OK and allow for the YAST Control Center to open. On the left-hand side of this menu, you're going to navigate to Network Services. Scroll down on the right-hand side until you see Network Services XINETD. Click this and I will go ahead and explain exactly what this service is. In computer networking, XINETD stands for Extended Internet Daemon. This manages internet-based connectivity. In a future tutorial, I will show you how to use Conqueror, a file browsing / internet browser, to configure Samba's configuration file. On the right top hand corner, click Enable. Allow for it to load once more. Navigate on the right hand side to a system service by the name of SWAT. SWAT. The status should be currently off. You want to make sure you toggle the status on the right hand side of the pane to on. Once that is completed, click Finished on the bottom right hand side. This will write the settings to the configuration file. Next, you will navigate to System. There we go. On the right hand side, you will scroll down to System Services Run Level. You will toggle on a few more settings. Let me go ahead and explain those. NMB, this provides the NetBIOS and IP address name service to the Windows shared computers over the TCP/IP network. Then SMB, you will toggle that on as well, which is Server Messaging Block. This operates on the application layer network protocol, mainly used to shared access, files, printers, and miscellaneous communications. So, scroll down and navigate to NMB. In the Enabled tab, you will see that NMB is currently set at No. Make sure you hit the Enable button on the bottom left side. You will be prompted with a successful window. It will return code 0. That is perfect. Next, you will scroll down a bit more until you see SMB. This is also set to No. Make sure you enable this as well. Right below that, SMBFS will be used for file systems. That is actually set to yes, so that is perfect. Make sure that is set to yes. Scroll down a bit more and make sure that the XINETD is toggled on to yes, which we configured a few moments ago. Then navigate to the top and disable the Suse firewall. We will do this for now to simply make our job easier and make sure that Samba is working and properly configured as we are configuring the services now. This will return two successes. It will turn off the Suse firewall and the Suse firewall 2 setup. Click OK on the bottom corner. This will save the changes at run levels to make sure that these services are ran as soon as your system boots up. It will write all these changes to a configuration file, making sure that they are written perfectly. And now that is the first step in configuring your Samba before you go ahead and configure it through the Samba network resource. Thank you for listening to Living Tech.